Alright my people, how una dey? I know say na dey enjoy Olympic wey dey go for Tokyo. My name na Taiwo Shoyibo. I welcome una to another ogbonge edition of our program for our channel wey we dey call Sport Villa. Today, make we look at wetin happen for Olympic. Before we look am, make I tell una how Olympic take start and how Nigeria take enter the matter. Olympic start about 3,000 years ago for Greece, and first time when Nigeria could participate na 1952 when we do well for the Olympic. Since that time, every 4 years when dem dey organize the ogbonge sport festival, Nigeria dey participate. As we dey participate, we dey carry medal, we dey carry this, we dey carry that for the Olympic every 4 years. But you can't get ogbonge year wey be say Nigeria no participate. We no go for the Olympic. No be say people wey go run or go play football or go swim or go do this for Olympic no dey o. But na Soviet Union and America get gbege that time. So Nigeria no go for Moscow Olympic 1976. Nigeria no go for that Olympic. In 1996 something happen. But before I go to 1996, 2018 sef, Nigeria follow go Winter Olympic. That one, that Olympic na im dey organize for people wey dey sabi do things inside cold. When weather cold well, Nigeria go for that Olympic. I know say na no forget 1996 when Nigeria carry gold medal for Olympic. Na the first time wey African country carry that gold. Na the first time wey Nigeria carry that gold for football inside Olympic. That year, everybody jollificate. All of us happy well for that Olympic. But wetin come happen in 2021 for Tokyo? Na im be my matter today. Na im I wan make we follow me discuss. Na im I wan make all of us reason together. Why be say 2021 Olympic, Nigeria get wetin I call national embarrassment. To prevent national embarrassment, make we look into these things. One, before you carry player or athletics or swimmer or people wey wan participate for Olympic, you go carry them do 2 tests. Those 2 tests sef no be say just test for test sake. You go do am come give them certificate. One, doping test. That doping test na to be sure say all the people wey una don carry go no get gbege or wahala for drug, whether the one wey dem dey take or wey dem dey smoke or anything like that. So dem go fit do natural, use their natural strength do things. Secondly, dem dey call another test OCT, out of competition test. You go do am so that if you reach Olympic, if dem say player wey your doping certificate, dem go show am. Wey your OCT, dem go show am. Wetin come happen for Tokyo 2021 wey Nigeria athletics get this kind problem? I dey ask our Minister of Sport, wetin happen? Our National Olympic Committee, wetin happen? Athletic Federation of Nigeria, how una take run the matter wey be say 10 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 athletics dey disqualify dem. Say dem no do proper documentation, dem no do training, dem no do everything wey dem suppose do to make sure say dey qualify for Olympic. Dey fit mentally, psychologically, everywhere, anyway. Say if dem come Tokyo 2021, the thing pay me, and I know say e pay some Nigerians. Say this kind thing happen to Nigeria on top world stage. E tire person o. My advice for this, from this station to our minister be say, please make you set up committee investigation make una do proper investigation say wetin happen when we go receive national embarrassment for Tokyo 2021 Olympic. Question NOC, question AFN, say wetin happen. Minister, please make no be matter una go raise the investigation team come sweep the matter under carpet o. Make we see to the beginning to the end of this matter. Make this kind thing no happen to our beloved country again. Another thing wey I wan tell our minister, all those 10 athletics wey dey ban make dem no participate. On top 58 athletics wey we carry go, 10 don comot. How we wan take win gold, silver or bronze for this competition now, na only God know. So those people wey dey ban, make una please give them their entitlement. No be their fault say dem no participate o. Dem don put their life, their sense, their power, their energy say dem wan go represent Nigeria for Olympic. No be dem fault. People wey no do their proper work na im make this kind thing happen to these people. If na phone o, if na money o, if na land o, if na motor, anything wey una wan give those people wey participate for Olympic, na make una give them. Na im be our own submission from this table say make una treat them well. The thing dey pay. How person go live in house go represent im country wey be say okay, show your certificate for this for that, you no fit show am. No be those boys, no be those women, no be those athletics wahala or fault. Na NOC and AFN get matter to answer. My people, I no see am pass this level today on top Sport Villa on your ogbonge television. My name still remain Taiwo Shoyinbo. I wish make Nigeria win more medals. Thank you. See you next week for another edition of Sport Villa.